Okay guys, camera cut off on me earlier. So y'all know, welcome back to the yard. Let's continue this thing because this thing is really starting to get on my nerves. We really could have kept this one. You see that? This one is really in pretty good condition actually. It's in good condition, but we already got the replacement. We don't have to do all the cleaning on that one, so let's just continue with the tear down, and this one just put it back together. Put everything back together. Put everything back together. Alright, it should pop open, but I don't know. Got all the screws off of it. Piece of foamy now, I don't know what that's for. Okay, should pull this one straight out. Okay, it's good. It's in good condition. See that? It should be, because this car only got like 30,000 miles on it, so all this stuff should be in very good condition. Yeah. Should be in very good condition. Let me put this somewhere I don't want to get damaged. See what else we got here. Okay, this right here and this right here. Wait up. No, that might be on. I don't know. That might be still on there. That might still be on there. Oh, it's another one of these little trick doors. See how that's on there? Pay attention to that, because see how hard that other one was. I think most of these screws, or all of them, are the same size. So we're good. Alright. See if the thing moves. Oh, this one I believe is a little bit simpler. Yeah, that's more simple. Okay, simple. That just goes on there like that. Tell me I ain't just did it again. Oh no, okay. That goes on there like that. So simple. That one should be simple. So I think, let's see. I think we got everything. Besides this, we can pull it out. I think that's still on there, but maybe they want to charge me for that too, so I didn't get it. Okay, that's it. So let's put this part back on here. You know, just to put it back. Just to put it back on there and screw it. Screw it back in it too. So it won't be your problem. Your problem. Okay. That screw look a little short, didn't it? They got it look a little short. So I don't know where it goes. Just gotta make it work. Maybe it's my eyes playing tricks on me. Let's see, do we have this hose? Yes, this hose is already on there, so we don't need this one. Because this hose is probably in better condition because, like I said, this car only has 30,000 miles on it, so this hose might be a little bit better than the one on here. But for now, I'm going to leave it. See if there's any difference. Okay, now. So, I'm gonna put these screws over here. I'm gonna have to take this one apart. Gotta be very gentle with this one now, because this one is the one we're putting back in, so we can't be rough with this one. Okay. Yes, we have to loosen this one as well. Really don't want to put this thing on his face. Okay. Okay. I really need to get some shots of this car too, because pull up the thumbnail, I want to have at least have a picture of the car. Let's see. Hopefully it pulls it up. Hopefully. Okay. Hopefully it pulls it up. It'll keep closing by itself. I know why though. It's a mess in here. A straight mess. Okay. Should be able to pull that up. It's going to be looking a lot better real soon. Alright, we got those shots just in case. Hopefully it pulls up. And it's time to that thing is still on there. Okay. He's still in there. That foam. Okay. Let's slide this thing back in here. It goes like this. Yeah. I think it goes like this. Does it? Okay, wait. Goes like this. Yeah. Perfect. Cover back on. Okay, screw it back up. Never waste parts. You got something that is wrecked up or broken up or something, that part always has some good parts on it. Always have good parts still on it. Don't just throw some of your old stuff away, because you will regret it. I used to do that all the time. Throw stuff away. Like I said, I thought I didn't need it anymore. But always find out I'll be wrong. I end up needing that part. End up needing it. Yes, sir. Okay, now let's see, because this part right here. Okay. Might as well take it back off so we can take it off so we can put the stuff in the middle right there. Take it off so we can put the stuff in the middle. Sit that to the side. Sit that over there. No. Crap, that's the part we're gonna need. No. Fan. Let's put this fan in. Let's put this in. And we'll be ready to go. Loosen these screws here. Again, look, it's like the rain out here today. Okay. The fan. Set it in here the way it's supposed to go, which will be just like this. See that hole right there? See that hole? Right here. Gotta line this up with that. Just like so. And screw it together. Screw it together. goes. Gotta check the time because that's how the camera cut off on me the last time. We got, I think we got at least 20 minutes on here. A small camera, I know it cuts off 8 and 20 minutes. This one, I don't know, I'm not sure. I think it goes a little over 20 minutes, but I'm not sure. So, okay, let's put this other piece in right here. Okay. Make sure. Yeah, so that's how it goes right there. Okay. Okay, now, I think this little booger right here, right? Yeah, this one goes right here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this the one? Okay, guys, okay. Let's look at this. Okay. Is this correct? Got it. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's those. Okay, now. There you go. Okay. Screw it on. Okay. Do this. I got a piece of glove on there. See, oh Lord. Alright guys, it's going to be the end of this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one when we're again in the yard. Yard 2. Not 1.